Hello everyone. So let's solve today's Leetcode Daily challenge question. So the question is minimum deletions to make string balanced. So you are given a string S consisting only of characters A and B. You can delete any number of characters in S to make S balanced. Okay. So how S is getting balanced is we have to delete characters where we get such sequence as a BA. Okay, so there is no pair indices such that I is less than J and S of I is B and S of J is A. So that means we don't want no subsequence like PE. Okay, we know how what is subsequence. Okay, we have to return minimum number of deletions needed to make S balance. So we have to make S balance by deleting some characters. So that number of characters should be minimum, and we have to return that. Okay, let's say first example is AABA Okay, so here what are the possibilities? Mean, is there any subsequence present which is BA? Yeah, this one subsequence BA. Again, this B and this A is a another subsequence. Again, this B and this A, this B and this A. So we have there is a such pair. So this string is not balanced. So we have to make it balance. So what we can do, this B we can delete, okay, and this A we can delete on the sixth position. Then we'll get our balanced. Again, there's another choice like deleting this A and this A, B. So this is another way. But we can also do like this, mm, like we can delete this A also, this B. Again, we can delete this A, then delete both the B and A and B. This is also possible, right? If we delete this all 3B, then also we can get a string which contains no such subsequence as a BA. But what we have to return, we have to return minimum number of deletions. So here, if we see, here we have deleted only two characters. Here we have only deleted two characters, but here we have deleted three characters of B, right? So we have to return minimum. Okay, so for that, how we can solve is considering the same example. Okay, so our main aim is you can see after deleting the balanced string is basically what which has two separation. I mean, it has separation into two parts. That is, first on the left is A and on the right is B. So on the left side all A's are present, on the right side all B's are present. So basically we have to make our string like this, which is a balanced. Okay, not necessary it is a equal number. You can see here this is also balanced. We just have to place our A's on the left and B's on the right. Okay, so let's start. If we count number of B's on the left and number of A's on the right, so we don't want this combination, right? If we delete number of B's on the left and number of A on the right, okay, so if we consider, let's start solving like let me put just index. Okay, so for index 0. Okay, for index 0, how many number of characters are there on the left side which is a B? 0, right? Number of B's are 0, and number of A's on the right are this one. We don't have to consider the current element. So on the right side, how many A's are present? This one, this two, and this three. Okay, so 3. Then for index 1, okay, so here what we can do is we can delete number of B's. I mean B. How many we can delete? 0 on the left side. So on the right side, how many A's we can delete is 3. So the string is B, 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 B. So this can be our string if we delete three A's on the right side. Okay. So for index 1, if we check on the left side, how many B's are there? 0. On the right side, how many A's are there? 2. So if we delete all 2 A's on the right side, so what will be our string? This is A, B, 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 B. Okay, this is our string. If we check for index 2, okay, if we index 2, on the left side, how many B's are there? 0. Because we are not considering the current element, we are only considering the left one. Okay, and how many elements are there? Characters are after this on the right side. We have 2. So again the same string we will get. For index 3, how many B's are on the left? 1. Okay, this one. And how many A's are on the right? Only 1. Okay, so B is 1, A is 1. If we delete both, then what string we'll get? We'll get A, B, B, B. So we'll get this string. Okay, now for index 4, how many B's are there? Only 1. And how many A's are there on the right side? After index 4 is 1. Again we'll get the same string. For index 5, how many B's are on the left? 2. How many A's are on the right? 1. So what string we'll get? Deleting 2 B's from the left. So B is deleted, B is deleted, then B. On the right side only one A is remaining, that is also deleted, so only remains is B. So similarly, if we do for all, what you can see is here number of deletions will be this B plus A. Okay, 0 plus 3, 3 deleted, 2 deleted, 2 deleted, 2, 2. So checking all the possibilities, what we will get, we have to take minimum of all. So if you take minimum of all, you can see this 2 is the minimum which we are getting, that is our answer. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find the count of number of B's from that index to the left side and number of A's from that index to the right side. Okay, so counting these A's and B's and adding this and checking the minimum of all whatever we get for all index. Okay, so how we can implement this? This is the basic logic which we got. So how we can implement this? We can use the prefix suffix concept. We can use this prefix suffix concept, or like we can use the array which calculates the number of A's till that index and number of B's till that index. But instead what we can do is we'll take, instead of a array, we will take a variable. Okay, let's take int count A is equal to 0, int count B is equal to 0. So count B will be from the beginning, count A will be from the ending. Okay, because on the right side we have to count how many A's are there, on the left side we have to count how many B's are there, because ideally our balanced string will be when our all A's are on the left and all B's are on the right. Okay, so we'll put one variable as answer which is 0. Now let's first have a count, overall count of A. Okay, take one variable int n is equal to s dot length. Okay, now count if okay, if condition is necessary, right? If there is a then only we will increment the count A. So if s dot char at I is equal to A, then we will increment count A. So overall, we'll get the count A, number of A's in an array, or in a string. Okay. So how? Okay. So we know we want a right part of a string, counts of A on the right side. Okay. From that index. So how we will move forward in that way? If there exists any A, then we will decrement our count. Okay. So that we will get the right part, I mean number of A's on the right part. Okay, so first we calculated the count A. Now let's start. Int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Now, okay, now what we have to do is we have to check from the current element, right? So the current element, we don't have to include that current element. So first we will check if the current element is A. The same thing I'll copy here. If the current character is A, that means we have to decrement it because we don't want to consider it. Then our answer, what will be our answer? Answer will be math dot minimum. We want minimum of answer, comma, addition of both the count, that is count A plus count B, right? Because as we don't want the current element, or to consider the current element, we either it is A or B. Okay, we are not I mean here we are decrementing, and here we will increment if the current element is B. If it is equal to B, count B, we will increment. Then this is what we have seen here. So we'll add and we'll check the minimum of that. Okay, now we have to return our answer. Now here we are checking with the minimum of answer. So here we have to put answer as maximum one, right? We can put I mean assign n plus 1. Okay, because answer cannot be no, we cannot delete all the numbers, right? All the characters in an string, right? So as we are checking the minimum, we cannot assign it as a, or initialize it with the 0. We'll put maximum number. So return answer, let's check. Okay, cannot find symbol. Oh yeah, what happened? Here we declared later, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, so this is how we can solve our question, today's question, using simple prefix suffix concept. Okay, you can solve this question using stack, using dynamic programming for a more optimized version. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you understand whatever I'm explaining or the questions, if you want to know the solution of the daily Leetcode daily challenge question, please stay updated and subscribe my channel and like this video if you like. Thank you so much.